everyone, and welcome back to Godshalls Test Kitchen. Today we'll be making a sautéed spinach turkey bacon calzone. To make our calzones today, we're going to need some spinach, pizza dough, salt and pepper, garlic, some Muenster cheese, a bell pepper, tomato, olive oil, and of course, Godshalls real wood smoked turkey bacon. To start our calzone, we're going to chop up our vegetables. And we're going to saute some spinach. A lot of spinach doesn't go very far, so it seems like we have a lot, but we really don't. Salt and pepper. Then you're going to throw in your spinach, and it's going to spit a little bit. Our spinach is wilted. We're going to add some garlic. All right, we'll add our peppers. Now let's cook our bacon. Now we're going to add our bacon. We've rolled out our dough. We're going to fill up our calzones. Some cheese. This is Muenster cheese. It's nice and stringy when it melts. Our vegetable turkey bacon filling. Okay. Now we'll brush them with olive oil, score them, and throw them in the oven. Now we'll put these in a 350-degree oven for about 12 minutes. Our calzones are nice and golden brown. We're going to take them out. Oh, that cheese. And that's our sautéed spinach and turkey bacon calzone.